Hey guys, so I have here my JBL GO 3 waterproof Bluetooth speaker, and I have opened up this speaker the other day in my other video, so in case you have missed that video, then I'm going to link this here in the upper right corner. So I have opened this thing up, and now the question is this speaker still waterproof after opening it and closing it back again? So we're going to try this out today. So I'm going to play a couple of songs, and I have my aquarium here in the background. And now we're going to dunk it in and see what happens. Okay, so I think we played it long enough now, and so now let's open up the speaker again and have a look inside if we do find any water or any moisture. And look at this here. So this looks really dry. I don't see any water or anything. Also, it does feel dry to the touch, so I think it's still all nice and waterproof. So I think we can keep going here. Let's put it back together and play some more music.